Moses come the tribe, every soldier stand. Order from Jah, every woman and man. Tabernacle center, holy master plan. Levi keep watch while the cloud move on. Silver trumpet sound, hear the call again. March through the desert, sunshine and rain. Just set the pattern, just set the lane. Faith bring victory, doubt bring pain. Them start complain about the manna bread. Looking back at Egypt, them head. Just send quail fly, cover earth widespread. Still rebellion spread like a sickness dread. 40 years them roam. Just still guide them home. Them doubt, them fear, but the promise stay clear. Thunder roll, lightning blaze. Jah keep the fire through the darkest days. From Sinai mountain to the promised place. Give thanks and praise to the ancient of days. Yo, 12 spy walk through Canaan land. 2 stand firm, 10 couldn't understand. Joshua and Caleb say Jah have the plan, but fear take over every heart and hand. Negative report make the nation shake. Unbelief cause a generational break. Promised inheritance them couldn't take. 40 years wandering through every mistake. Just say how long them provoke I. Still mercy flow from the most high. Even when tears fall from every eye, the covenant remain and never die. 40 years them roll. Just still guide them home. Them doubt, them fear, but the promise stay clear. Thunder roll, lightning blaze. Jah keep the fire through the darkest days. From Sinai mountain to the promised place. Give thanks and praise to the ancient of days. Korah rise up, challenge Moses' throne. Earth up in white, swallow pride whole. Listen for the people from the judgment shown. Jah establish leadership from his throne. Yet Jah still provide water from the rock. Cloud by day and fire when the darkness drop. Even when rebellion never stop. Jah protection never miss a clock. Every drum echo through the valley low. Dub bass line make the whole earth glow. Ancient prophecy continue to grow. River of blessing continue to flow. Then Malachi balam fi curse, but a turn curse to blessing verse. Even donkey speak when spirit disperse. No enemy power could reverse. Who Jah bless, no man can condemn. No wicked weapon prosper against them. From me shine bright like Jerusalem gem. The word endure again and again. 40 years them roam. Just still guide them home. Them doubt and fear, but the promise stay clear. Thunder roll, lightning blaze. Jah keep the fire through the darkest days. From Sinai mountain to the promised place. Give thanks and praise to the ancient of days. New generation rise from the dust. Learning to obey and put faith in trust. Joshua Bruce and the class he